Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to find and save marketplace templates in Goodnotes in 2026. Are you looking for the perfect template in Goodnotes? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find and save templates from the marketplace quickly. So let's get started. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store, as it's both available on Android and iOS devices, and you can find it there. Then you're gonna make sure to download the application, and once you download this, you're gonna open the app and you're gonna make sure to log in with your account. Now once you're logged in into your account, you're gonna see your dashboard. As you can see here, you can access a lot of sections like documents, favorites, shared, marketplace, or even trash. So you're gonna open the Goodnotes, and from the left side section, you're gonna click on marketplace. As you can see, there are a lot of options. You're gonna click on the marketplace, and here you'll see a lot of templates. You can use the search bar or the categories to find the templates you need. You can click on the search for products like this. You can type in whatever you need, or you can even search for it by categories like home, creators, work, study, and life. Once you find the template you want to use, you're going to check their price. As you can see here, this one costs $8 and this one costs $15, etc. So make sure to choose the one this is more eligible to you. And once you chose it, you're gonna make sure to buy the template by clicking on it, clicking on its price, and you're gonna agree to the terms, etc. and view the template, view the information, the details, the size, etc. As you can see, there's the section of what you'll get, and that's it. You're gonna find your template in your home screen. Now finding the right templates can completely change how you take notes. So explore and save the ones for your needs. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.